In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a drop-down list in Excel. If you have a worksheet with cells that contain drop-down menus and you no longer want those selection arrows to appear, Excel makes it very simple to remove them. The process only takes a moment, and once you know where the setting is, you can repeat it anytime you need to clean up your spreadsheet. To begin, select the cell or cells that contain the drop-down lists you want to remove. You can click a single cell if you only want to remove one drop-down, or click and drag across a range of cells if you want to remove several at once. It is important to make sure you highlight the correct cells before moving on, because Excel will apply the change only to the selected area. Once your cells are selected, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. This is where Excel keeps tools related to sorting, filtering, and controlling what users can enter into cells. Look across the ribbon until you find the section called Data Tools. In that group, click the Data Validation button. This will open the Data Validation window, which is where the drop-down list settings are stored. When the pop-up window appears, stay on the Settings tab. This tab shows the rule that controls the selected cells, including any drop-down list that may be attached to them. To remove that rule, click the Clear All button in the bottom left corner of the window. This clears the data validation settings from the selected cells, which also removes the drop-down list. After that, click OK to confirm the change and close the window. Once you do this, the selected cells will no longer display the drop-down arrow, and users will be able to type freely into those cells without that list appearing. As a quick tip, if you accidentally remove a drop-down from the wrong cell, you can usually reverse the change right away using Undo. Also, if you are working with a large spreadsheet, it can help to double-check your selection before opening data validation so you do not remove lists from cells you still want to keep. That is all there is to it.